The group anagrams problem is a classic you'll see in almost every coding interview prep list, and for good reason. It's simple to understand, but solving it effectively teaches you powerful concepts like hash maps, string normalization, and pattern recognition. In this video, I will walk you through the problem step by step so you can master the technique and recognize this pattern instantly in future challenges. And also, if you haven't already known, I do have mentoring sessions where you can meet in a one-on-one Zoom call. The link is down in the description. Okay, so today we are going to talk about grouping anagrams. Now, this is a fairly simple algorithm. I know, simple. I don't want to say that it's simple because it's simple when you know it. We are constantly learning. Okay, so here is the question. Given an array of strings, STRs, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. Now, this is the array of strings, eat, t, 10, 8, nat, bet. And then this would be the output. Two-dimensional array, and the inner arrays would contain the anagrams. So eat, t, and 8 in this case, and then 10 nat, and then bet. You know, bet doesn't have any pairs, but yeah, that's why it's a one. Again, the order is not important in which these are returned. First, we need to understand what is an anagram. Well, the anagram is basically any words that have the same letters. So eat, EAT, T, again, EAT, 10, that's so 8, let's just go with the first anagram, 8, again, EAT, and then 10, TAN, nat, TAN again. And then bat is a single one right over here. So that is an anagram. That is what we want to group against this input array. And yeah, let's just start building this out. Let's just remove this so we may have a little bit more space. And what we need to do, let's talk about the approach. Well, first of all, how would we know that eat, t, and 8 are anagrams? How can we compare them? Well, there's a little trick to do this. If you sort these, you know, the order of the letters, then you will see that, you know, it's sorted. I believe it's AET would be the sorted versions of these. And it's the same. So what we would do is sort all of them and keep these as keys. And the values would be all of the actual values. So the sorted, in the dictionary would be, the key would be the sorted value. So AET, that would be the key. And for that key, what type of anagrams do we have? Eat, T, and 8. And the same goes for 10 and of course for bet. Want to get better at SwiftUI fast? Book a one-on-one Zoom session with me and let's work through whatever you're stuck on. Whether it's a tricky bug, best practices, or just getting feedback on your code. I've been building iOS apps for over 14 years and I'm here to help you level up with clear, honest advice. It's all tailored to you. Just hit the link in the description and get started. So, first of all, we need to create a dictionary for this. var dict equals, and let's recap. The key would be the string. Oh, sorry, string. That would be, you know, the sorted word, and then an array of strings. So an array of strings, those would be the keys. Basically, the values like eat, t, and 8. Okay, so let's initialize that, and then we need to go through, of course, the input let's just go for line, input, but it could be, you know, word or whatever. I'm just going to call it line. It doesn't really matter. First of all, we want to sort. Let's just go for word. And this is not car, but var. Word. So let sorted equals, and this will be a string because when we are sorting a string, we get back a character array. So we are just going to say word dot sorted. Again, this is going to return character array, and that's why we want to have this a string, because sorted needs to be a string, you know, the key right over here in the dictionary. And then we would say, are we going to, we are basically going to append the word to this sorted key. But this might be the first one. So if we don't have anything, then we want to initialize it with a default empty array. So not just, you know, to need to be able to append to something. So therefore, we are going to use the dictionary and sorted, but we're going to give a default value for it. So default and then empty array, and then append our new word. Okay, so this basically will just populate our dictionary with all of the anagrams, basically, you know, as values. The keys would be the sorted ones, but we don't care about the keys. It was just kind of a hack to just make sure that we are sorting properly. Therefore, what are we going to return? Well, it's going to be an array, first of all, and a two-dimensional array, nonetheless. We are going to grab the dictionaries. Remember, I told you that we have keys and then values. The values are these arrays. So that's how we are going to get a two-dimensional array right over here. And basically that's it. We have successfully sorted the anagrams from an input array. Now, if you did like this type of tutorials, go ahead and also check out my mentoring sessions. The link is down in the description. And also, this video was sponsored by Tenjin ROI one-on-one Discord. Go ahead and make sure to check out their link also in the description.